In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best digital audio recorders available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the digital audio recorders list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the digital audio recorders mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Vandlion V66 Voice Recorder. The Vandlion V66 stands out with its huge 64 GB, 128 GB internal memory and voice-activated recording. It features a Type-C USB interface, supports WAV format, and is housed in a premium aluminum alloy body. With a 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 217 hours of recording and 305 hours of playback time. Although it lacks speakers and external mic support, it is built for high-efficiency tasks like interviews, surveillance, or long-form recording. The V66 is a solid, durable, and high-capacity recorder for serious users. Number 4, LEEDOAR T60 Voice Recorder. The LEEDOAR T60 offers professional-grade recording with multiple memory options, 16 GB to 64 GB, and noise reduction for clear voice playback. With a USB plug design, it's easy to transfer and manage files. The device records in MP3 and WAV formats with selectable bit rates, 192 kbps to 1536 kbps, for flexible quality control. Equipped with a built-in speaker and external microphone support, it's a complete package for meetings, interviews, and voice notes. Sleek and functional, this recorder is perfect for professionals who value simplicity and efficiency. Number 3, STTWUNAKE Q66 Mini Recorder. The STTWUNAKE Q66 is a mini digital audio recorder known for its ultra-compact and discreet design, perfect for voice-activated recording in sensitive settings. Measuring just 42 by 37 by 9.6 mm and weighing almost nothing, it easily slips into a pocket or bag. It records in WAV format and is ideal for private interviews, security tasks, or classroom use. No external microphone or memory is required, and it is designed to work silently with one-button operation. This is a solid choice for users needing compact power in audio capture. Number 2, PASARTER A121 Recorder. The PASARTER A121 is a feature-rich digital voice recorder perfect for professionals and students. It supports timed recording, voice-activated capture, and external microphone input, making it ideal for long lectures, meetings, or interviews. Its support for FLAC, MP3, and WAV formats ensures high-fidelity sound. With built-in speakers, external memory support, and a compact design, it's tailored for versatility. Certified by CE, FCC, and ROSE, it's a reliable device with user-friendly controls for anyone who values detailed and high-quality recordings. Number 1, LYBYU 8822 Voice Recorder. The LYBYU 8822 is a professional-grade digital audio recorder with voice-activated recording and OTG support. It supports WAV and MP3 formats, providing clear and crisp audio quality. Built for convenience, it offers multiple memory options, 8 GB to 32 GB, and noise-canceling features for better sound capture. With a compact design, it fits perfectly in your pocket, making it ideal for interviews, lectures, or on-the-go recording. No external memory is needed, and its mini size and durable build make it a dependable tool for content creators and professionals alike.